This holiday season, we're making our Queen Kate's dreams come true. I hate this, don't use this. By cooking up a treat from the holiday.
Someone's having a party tonight.
Because nothing says Christmas quite like pasta in a very un-Italian sauce.
Okay.
It's time to celebrate the best festive movie of all time.
Do you mean that?
Yeah, I said it. Fight me.
Bollocks!
There's that Christmas spirit.
We've made a great impression on you, haven't we?
Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome to Bite Club.
Well, if you're not busy, would you like to join me? So how about some food? Shall I make us a little Christmas fettuccine?
Sure.
Listen, I know it's hard to believe people when they say I know how you feel. But I actually know how you feel.
Place 200 grams of 00 pasta flour into a pile on a clean worktop. Create a well in the centre of the flour. Season her up with half a teaspoon of salt and crack in 2 eggs. Use a fork to break up the eggs and to slowly bring the flour in from the sides.
Sort of a mess in this area.
At this point, if unlike me, you're paying attention, you should also drop in half a tablespoon of olive oil.
On the storm, and if the fire would die, I know you and I will find a way to keep ourselves warm.
Right, at this point, could everyone just pretend that this oil went in earlier when it should have?
Oh my god. This was a really close call.
Oh, like nothing happened, a bloody Christmas miracle. We're using the classic pasta dough rule of 100 grams of 00 flour and 1 large egg per person.
And that is why they pay you the big bucks.
Making it a super easy one to scale up for a festive feast. For the full recipe and the correct instructions, head to biteclub.tv. Bring the dough together into a ball, then knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth, bouncy and tacky but not sticky.
When you put it that way, it sounds awful.
Wrap the dough up in cling film to stop it from drying out and leave it to relax for half an hour. Divide the dough in 2 so it's easier to handle. If you have a pasta machine, by all means use her. I'm not going to though, so I can show you that you can make this by hand.
You with me, Simpkins?
Roll the dough out to about 1.5 millimeters thick and try to get it as even as possible all over.
It's never easy, but I'm gonna try.
Dust the outside of the pasta sheet with a little extra flour to stop it from sticking. Fold the pasta up in a concertina.
Right outside, the weather's awful. We won't see sky till heaven knows when.
Using a very sharp knife, slice into ribbons about 1/2 centimetre thick.
Memories we'll think of again. Looks as though it might keep coming.
Toss the sliced pasta in a little extra flour to stop it from clumping together in a hot mess. Then repeat with the remaining dough.
The weather's awful, cold enough to make it.
And that is the hardest part done and dusted.
Easy.
So what the f*** is Christmas fettuccine, I hear you cry?
What is that?
According to the wondrous World Wide Web, it's a simple and delightful fettuccine Alfredo.
Sounds perfect.
To kick things off, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pan on a medium heat. Drop in a clove of minced garlic and be sure to keep an eye on it so it doesn't catch and become bitter and nasty.
Look, I don't want to ruin your Christmas Eve.
Add the zest of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a pinch of ground nutmeg. Give them a minute or 2 to get to know one another.
And that's the meat cube.
Trickle in 200 millilitres of double cream and heat it until it just begins to simmer. Next, we need a whole lot of festive indulgence in the form of 75 grams of finely grated parmesan. Whisk until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth and harmonious. To really ramp up the festive flair, optionally add in a little truffle oil.
It changed my world.
It's awful, we won't see sky till heaven knows when. But here inside, we have a heart full of memories we'll think of again.
Cook the pasta in boiling salted water for approximately 2 minutes until al dente.
Glad to have your company. The snow keeps falling, the fire is calling.
Give it a taste for seasoning and add salt if needed. We're going for a truffle salt to really ramp things up.
I think we just went way past complicated.
Serve topped with additional grated parmesan, because obviously we haven't used enough of that already.
You stinker.
And if you want to go all out and turn this simple dish into a bougie, impressive, decadent festive delight, top it all off with a grating of fresh truffle.
That'll be interesting.
And that, friends, is how you make the Christmas fettuccine from the holiday.
Amazing! It finally looks like a hit.
Let us know in the comments below which movie food you want us to recreate next. Thank you for watching and happy holidays!
Happy Christmas.
But wait, want to get your teeth into more Bite Club?
Is that a trick question?
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in our videos over on biteclub.tv.
Wow.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.